Today I'm reviewing this new eSky wireless barcode scanner. It runs on USB, wired, or Bluetooth. It supports Windows, Android, iPhone. On the box you'll see the safety precautions and the care and maintenance instructions. Comes with a Bluetooth dongle, and Bluetooth the scanner tool, and a set of instructions. The instructions include a bunch of function setup barcodes so you can set your gun up. And as you can see, it's powered up and ready to go. Once you read the directions, you'll be able to use the scanner for the first time. Find a good set of software for my computer, but I hope to be using this light very soon for inventory for my Etsy store, eBay, Amazon, any place where I might sell my goods. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching it on Amazon, just go ahead and add it to the cart. If you need something to scan your UPCs, this barcode scanner seems to work really well. And like I said, I haven't given it extensive testing until I find some better software. But so far, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Thanks for watching. Okay. Let's see what we got here.